Creation so beautiful, it's amazing far beyond words. I'm living in wonderment, so much beauty all around. In this universe, I'm just a dot, yet he made me after his heart. Creation, much like a song, is the language of the divine. The beauty and mystery, inexplicable to the soul. On this side of life, we are so blessed. What a privilege to be alive. Come join the celebration. Hold hands, give smile, make peace to everyone. Creation so beautiful, I could marvel all day long, enjoying so much happiness, the contentment of my soul. The amazing things to lay eyes on, there is so much beauty around. Come join the celebration. Hold hands, give smile, make peace to everyone. Creation so beautiful, my amazement so beyond words. I'm full of bewilderment to the awesome work of our God. Whenever I think of it, I become the man lost for words. When I meditate on it, I'm completely lost for words.